Alright guys, dudes, dudettes, we're back. The other day we showed you what we were doing. It finally got to the point where we're supposed to be fixing what we're supposed to be fixing, found out what the problem was. Apparently it was a little bit too much gas. It wasn't stopping, so the float was getting stuck or something like that. We adjusted the float level, and now we're going to continue, install the carburetors, attach all the hoses, and then give it a shot. So what do you say, guys? Is it worth it? Can we do it? Can we do it? And we got
nah, it's fucked.
And we got Mr. E here again. Welcome back, buddy.
Again.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Good to see you. So a lot of new changes coming up, so stay tuned. Don't go away. Could be exciting. It's gonna be a lot of headaches. So we'll see.
Same as life.
If it has wheels or tits, it will give you trouble.
Whoa.
Yeah, don't forget sales.
Sales, yeah.
Sales through.
It's worse than tits.
Open eind naar boven. Ja, dat is goed.
All right. So now we got the carburetor in a lot faster than we did all the other times.
Nou, het push it from this side. Kijk, dit staat er. It's just like fucking a loose pussy. Is it in yet? I don't know. That's just wrong. Cut it out. Edit it out, brother.
All right. Good thing I didn't push record yet. Wrong.
Okay.
Okay, carburetor's in place. Now you put the rubbers in place, or are they in there?
I don't know.
I said, are they in place? I didn't say they're in.
Okay.
Okay, so we got the carbs in. Had a lot of trouble with the little things that hold the intake rubbers, I think it is, on the airbox part. Had to take it apart again, move it, turn it, because you can't turn it. No big deal, you'll see.
It's running, but we forgot the vacuum hoses.
Ah.
So no gas filling.
That's gonna go like this. That's the first trial, and that's your side.
We're probably going to have a lot easier putting the Buell back together than getting this running.
Okay, where are the bolts for this one? Kind of too enthusiastic. Right, it started, so. I think it came with rings. Yeah.
So I write it around the. When it's fixed, shall I write it around?
Yeah.
You see what happens? It'll be fine.
Should be good.
Yeah. Don't we need to change the oil before we do that?
Yeah, we're going to change the oil too. We have to do that. It'll be easier when it gets a little warmer.
It's always easier when it gets a little warmer.
Yeah.
You have to warm everything up.
Then you start with the ankles. Nah.
I'm not into that food fetish thing at all. That's not gonna work for me. I'm just gonna skip.
So Mr. E is going for his license. He's had 3 lessons already. So we're hoping that he'll have it before the fall. I don't think so, because you're in Holland.
Which one of you mother fornicators hit the
You just interrupted my conversation for Mr. E.
I don't care, because I'm working on a motorcycle.
Really, dude?
Yeah.
More important than Mr.
I can go back to drinking. It's easier for everybody.
Yeah, you'll probably be more productive.
Yeah. I'll be recycling aluminum like crazy.
start it?
No? It is interesting as to going somewhere.
There's another little thing.
Yeah.
No, that's a fat one.
Which one is the big one?
Fat. There's the other one.
Not forget it's a green.
Enjoy the little thing. Just they must not be forgotten. Otherwise
Alrighty.
It's all cut.
Now we got a vacuum system inside.
Oh shit! Yeah.
Yeah, start it.
Okay.
You just broke the internet.
Look, go ahead. God, that's fucking awesome.
We got a sucker running.